Subject Biology, Grade 8. Chapter number 1, Introduction to Biology. Introduction. Biology is the science of life. The word biology is derived from two Greek words. Bio means life and logos means to study. Biology is the natural science that studies life and living organisms, including their physical structure, chemical processes, molecular interaction, physiological mechanisms, and development. Biology, it is divided into three major divisions. Number 1, botany. It is the study of plants present on the earth, like the study of rose plant or the study of apple tree. The second category of biology is zoology. Zoo means animals. So it is that division of biology in which we study about animals and also humans. The third category of biology is microbiology. Microbiology is that division of biology in which we study about microorganisms. Now, what are microorganisms? These are those organisms which we can see with the help of microscope. These organisms are very smaller in size and we cannot see them with naked eye. So we use microscope to study microorganisms. The examples of microorganisms are viruses, bacteria, and microscopic fungi. Now, dear students, come to the branches of biology. Biology is a fast-growing field of science. It is divided into following main branches. The first branch of biology is morphology. Morpho means structure. So morphology is the study of external form, size, shape, color, structure, and relative position of various living organs of living beings. The next branch is anatomy. It is the study of internal structure of organisms, like in humans, the study of heart. The third branch of biology is histology. Histo means tissue. It is the study of tissue organization and structure as observed through light microscope. Number 4, physiology. It is the study of different types of body functions and processes. Next, number 5 is embryology. It is the study of the development of an organism from a fertilized egg. It means that embryology deals with embryo and the phenomena involved in the formation of embryo and its development into a new organism.